You are going to need an air duster or a can of compressed air to get rid of dust inside of your keyboard. I will leave a link in the description for an air duster and can of compressed air for anyone who will need it. So get your can of compressed air or get your air duster and spray your keyboard with that. Spray it for 15 to 30 seconds at least to remove a lot of dust. Get a wet paper towel and a dry one to wipe the keys on your keyboard. Wipe the keys on your keyboard with the wet towel first. When you're done, wipe your keys with the dry towel. And now you are done. I hope this video helped you guys. If you needed help, I will make another video tomorrow.